This conference will now be recorded.
Thank you. Let me share my screen. Are you able to see my screen, guys? Yes, cool. From today onwards, we are going to start real-time coding. No? So real-time topics, real-time coding, each and everything is real-time only. And the first topic in real-time is Maven. So Maven, it is very, 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 very important. And in each and every project, we'll use a Maven build tool only for Java, guys. So if you are using if any company is using a language called Java, they should use a build tool called Maven. So first of all, what is a Maven? So first of all, what is a Maven? Maven is a build management tool or project management tool. So Maven is a build management tool or project management tool. Build or project management tool. So using Maven, you can easily handle your project without any much effort. Without any much effort, you can easily handle your project because Maven is a POM based tool. POM means not a snake, guys. POM, POM based tool. So Maven is a POM based tool. POM means project object model interview question, guys. What is a POM in Maven? POM is nothing but project object model. So Maven is a POM based test management tool, or sorry, build management tool or project management tool. And one more thing, guys. So actually, so each and everybody, I mean, have attended manual classes, right? Right, Sai, Yamuna?
Yes,
Right, ma? Do you people heard about test management tool any time in the manual classes? Test management tool or bug management tool or
Jira.
product backlog tool, right? So Jira. So you should remember that thing, guys. Test management tool is different and the build management tool is different. A build comes to automation level, but test comes to manual level. So Jira. So you should say Jira because nowadays most of the companies are using Jira and Azure. So Azure tool is also there, Azure DevOps tool. So here in my current project, we are using Azure. So in my previous company, we have worked on Jira. So we used Jira at the time. But now, so Azure. So we are using Azure. So don't say so we are using ALM or like QTP or something is there. HPLM is there and TFS is there. TFS is not using nowadays. So TFS is an outdated tool. Don't say TFS or Bugzilla or like HPLM kind of thing. Just to say we are using Jira or we are using Azure DevOps management tool. Okay, test management tool belongs to manual and build management tool belongs to automation. So Maven is a build tool or project management tool and it is a POM based tool, project object model, and this POM is a heart of Maven. So POM is a heart of Maven because so we are going to add all the dependencies, all the plugins, each and every to POM only. So what are the dependencies that you have added in the POM? Based on that only our code will work, guys. Based on that only our code will work. So POM is the main thing in the Maven. And the next thing is, so here, so Maven is a build tool for Java. Same like that we have AND, guys. AND is a build tool for C Sharp, guys. For C Sharp, like C Sharp is also another programming language like Java. AND is a build tool for C Sharp, but Maven is a build tool for Java, guys. So you can use Maven in Eclipse or IntelliJ. You can use anywhere. You can use anywhere. And one more important point is in Maven, You don't need to download the jar files. You don't need to download the Selenium, nothing. Just add the dependencies in the form. It will automatically download the jar files from the backend guys. So in Maven, so if you add, so in Maven, so no need to add the dependencies. So no need to add dependencies to the third party softwares. To the third party softwares, we can simply add the jar files, so it will download each and everything from the backend. It will download each and everything. So in the time of execution. So in the time of execution, guys. So here I show you that one more. So here in the Maven, you want to use Selenium latest version, add latest version number there in the group ID and artifact ID kind of thing. And if you want to use the older versions, change the version there. That's it. So group ID, artifact ID version is there in the dependencies. In the dependencies, we have four tags. One is group ID, one is artifact ID, and another one is version. So in the version, you need to change the previous version number. That's it. You don't need to go to the Selenium H2. You don't need to download everything. Just change the version number. It will automatically download the respective dependencies from the backend. So from the backend. And the most important thing is it can easily integrate with any source code management tool and with any service code tool. Like with it can easily it can easily merge or it can easily integrate. So instead of merge, let me use integrate. It can easily integrate with any source code management tool. So source code management tool. So for example, Git or SVN. So these tools are used to store our project guys. Maven is used to create our project, but Git or SVN. So Git or SVN is used to store our project. So we'll discuss Git in our next class. So it can easily integrate with any source code management tool like Git or SVN, and it can easily integrate with any CI/CD tool. So it can easily integrate with CI/CD tool as well. So CI/CD tool, like let me add clearly, CI/CD tool like Jenkins kind of thing. So Jenkins kind of thing you can see. So I'll show you the Jenkins. So I'll show you the screenshots of Jenkins because Jenkins is not but easy to integrate in your systems. So once you join us in any organization, they will share one link to you, and based on the link you can easily log in because they have already created everything with the help of DevOps team. So it can easily integrate with CI/CD tool. CI/CD means continuous integration and continuous deployment tool. So here Maven is a very easy tool and it can easily integrate with any kind of source code management tool like Git or SVN, and it can easily integrate with Jenkins as well. And it can add any kind of third party tools. So it can allow the user to add, it can allow the user to add any kind of third party tools, guys. Third party tools. So so here I'm adding a Selenium. So I'm adding Apache Py. So here you can add screenshots kind of thing, or you can add exchange reports kind of thing. So it will allow user to add any kind of third party tools. There is no restrictions. There is no restriction. There is no limited restrictions. There is nothing. There is no limitations. There is no restrictions. So in Maven, so you can add anything. So you can add anything. So that is the reason in real time. So we'll use Maven only. So we'll use Maven only. So if you have any doubts as of now, you can ask this. Any doubts now? No doubts? Okay, cool. So let me show you the diagram. Are you able to see the diagram, guys? So this one, are you able to see the diagram? So here, this is our Eclipse. So this is our Eclipse. So by using Maven build tool, we are going to write a code. So this code will be depend on pom.xml. I will show you this one now. Because in this project object model only, we can store all the dependencies, all the plugins, everything, and based on this only our code will execute. It's based on this only our code will execute. This is our Eclipse. This is form in the Eclipse. We need to add dependencies and we need to execute. And we need to execute everything in the Maven repository. So Maven repository. What is Maven repository? Actually, it is a storage place, guys. So actually, once you install or so nowadays Maven installation is not required, but I'll show you how to install Maven, how to add Maven library files to our environmental variables as well. So because Windows 11 or we are using the latest versions, right? Latest versions of Java and latest versions of Selenium as well. So there is no need to download Maven. It is already inbuilt in the Eclipse and inbuilt. So it is inbuilt. You can directly add Maven. But for few people, like in our previous classes, so I have heard from few people that they are unable to create a Maven project without adding the Maven dependencies to the environmental variables. So that is the reason I'll show you how to download a Maven file and how to add a Maven file to the environmental variables. Later on, how to create a Maven project, how to add dependencies to Maven project, everything. So before going to download Maven repository or Maven tool, so here we have three types of Maven repositories out there. The first one is local repository, central repository, and the remote repository. The first one, local repository, is nothing but our system base. I'll show you that one as well. And the central repository means, so here central repository means it's kind of DevOps, it's kind of different things. Even I haven't worked on central repository. I have worked on remote repository. Remote is nothing but Jenkins, guys. Jenkins or TeamCity. So these are the remote version. So here we can add our project to the Jenkins with the help of and we will execute the code. So we will work on like remote repositories and local repositories, but central repositories means only developers will work. So they work on different EJBs and different different things they use. So enterprise Java based, some different editions they have, some distributed systems they work on. So at the time they use remote repositories, but we can't see the remote repositories, we can't see the central repositories. So I'll show you the Maven local repository. This local repository. So before showing you the local repository, first of all, let me show you how to download a Maven repository. So how to download Maven repository? Go to Google and type Maven repository. So it will open a link. So it will display a page with a link called mvnrepository.com. Just click on the MVN repository, guys, and come little down, just little down. So here, let me go to Maven repository. This one, Maven download, not the repository. So let me type Maven download. So Maven download. So just click on Maven Apache org. Just click on Maven Apache. So it will open a page like this. Just just go little down, just drag little down, and here we have binary tar.zz, binary zip, and tar.zzrq, some such kind of things. So don't download anything. So just click on binary zip archive and go to the link and click on the zip file, because only zip file will work and it should be bin zip file only. Don't download source zip file. So just click on the bin.zip, it will automatically download a Maven zip file. So what you need to do, just right click and go to show in folder, guys. Just right click and go to show in folder. So it is downloading. Just create another folder if you want. Okay. So control V here. So control V here. So we have downloaded Maven, right? Now we need to add. We need to extract the files and we need to add it into the environmental variables. Just right click on Apache Maven, right click and click on extract all and click on extract. That's it. So it will extract the file into normal folder. So because we have downloaded the zip folder, right? We need to extract them first. Later on, we can use that one. So here, this is the Maven extracted file. This is the Maven Apache Maven extracted file. Now what we need to do? We need to go to the extracted file and later on just double click on that one. So here we have bin and lib libraries, lib folders. So what we need to do? Same. So what we have done for Java, like we have added the bin folder path and the lib folder path to the environmental variables, right? Same you need to add. Same you need to do. So just double click on the bin folder and click here and control C and open environmental variables. And just type environmental variables and click on the edit environmental variables. So it is taking time to open environmental variables. So yes, so here edit the environmental variables, double click on that one and later on click on advanced. See here, click on advanced, just click on advanced and later on click on environmental variables and go to path, click on OK. And here I have just click on path and click on edit, guys. So here I have already added Maven, so I'm going to delete this one. Now I'm going to click on new, just to paste here, just to paste a Maven build folder. Later on go to the lib folder, and here also same, just control C and go to environmental variables, on new and control V, on OK, again click on OK and again click on OK. That's it, guys. So again click on OK. Now we need to verify whether we have successfully added lib and bin folder path to the environmental variables. For that one, just click on the Windows icon and type CMD and click on enter. Just type CMD and click on enter. It will open one command prompt and here you need to type one command. The command is nothing but MVN space hyphen version. MVN space hyphen version. So if you have added everything to your environmental variable successfully, it will display the particular Maven version. So otherwise it will display not recognized kind of thing. Are you able to see, guys? 3.9.0. So we have added. So the particular Maven path is so Himachal downloads on Maven. So are you able to see, ma? So today only we have downloaded 3.9.0. See, guys. So this is 3.9.0. We have downloaded that thing and we have extracted. After extracted, so we have added everything to our environmental variable. So this is the just installation of Maven, but this is not required, guys. If you are facing any challenge while creating Maven project, at that time, go and download Maven, add the Maven lib and bin folders to environmental variables and verify Maven version. If you are seeing like this, that means so you have successfully installed the Maven in your system. So if you have any doubts on the installation part, you can ask, guys.
No doubts.
No doubts? Okay, clear. Now I am going to create a Maven project and observe carefully. So this is a normal Java project, right? This is a normal Java project, right? Now we are going to create a Maven Java project. How to create Maven Java project? Same process is same. Just click on file, go to new and here click on other. After click on other, it will open one pop-up like select a wizard and here type Maven. Just type Maven and it will display a folder like this. Here you need to select Maven project, not Maven module. Don't confuse, guys. Maven project we should select. Click on Maven project and click on next and here You need to provide both artifact ID and the group ID. So normally in real organizations, so here just click on create a sample project. In real-time organizations, our group ID is my company name. So and the artifact ID is my project name. So actually, the project name, different project names we have, right? So here I am using Saag testing. So here Saag is my company name and testing project is my project name. So I'm going to click on finish now. So and don't open the Maven project. So I mean, don't open the Maven project immediately, just to wait until the green color mark disappears here. Then you can open. Otherwise, the folders may corrupt in the Maven project. Otherwise, the folders may corrupt in the Maven project. So here, are you able to see the difference between the normal Java project and Maven Java project, right? Normal Java project, it is simply displaying J icon, but Maven Java project, it is displaying MJ, right? So if you expand the Maven Java project, are you able to see all the different folders, guys? Source main Java, source main resources, source test Java, source test resources, everything. So in real time, we'll only use the source test Java folder only. The remaining folders will not use in the real time. So we have 4 folders, guys. Source main Java, resources Java, and test resources. We'll use source test Java only. We'll use source test Java only, and you should remember this point. And you should remember this point. And if you have any questions as of now, so in the creation of Maven project, you can ask, guys.
Clear.
So now I am going to copy the folder. See here. So normal Selenium is the Selenium info. I'm copying the same folder. No? So copy. And the folder creation, class creation is same, guys. So right click and go to new and create a package. So everything is same, but the structure, let me close this one. But the project structure is different. Now I am going to paste this one. So paste this one. So I'm expanding this one. So we have 2 classes, I think. One is Chrome and one is Edge. Selenium info. So are you able to see execution in Chrome browser, execution in Edge browser? See, are you able to see any error in the WebDriver and Chrome driver class? WebDriver interface and Chrome driver class? Yes, because we don't have Selenium, right? We have only Java. So if you want, you can expand Java. So we have only Java libraries. We don't have any Selenium related libraries here. Now, what we need to do? We need to add the dependencies in the pom.xml. So what is pom.xml? It is a project object model which is used to store all the dependencies, all the plugins, each and everything. So each and everything. So let me double click on pom.xml. It will open the XML file as .xml files. Are you able to see a pom.xml file on my screen? Are you able to see? So pom.xml, and here this is the pom.xml. Pom.xml. Are you able to see? If you double click on this one, you can automatically see the pom.xml, and this is the project structure, guys. So if you want to add the dependencies or plugins or whatever it may be, you should add in between the project only. Otherwise, it will throw errors. Otherwise, it will throw errors. So here, what we need to do, we need to add the Selenium dependency to our project. How to add Selenium dependency? So if you want to add Selenium dependency or any dependency here, you need to create a tag called dependency. So you need to create a tag called dependencies and open and close both the tags you need to add. Both the tags you need to add dependency. So this is a tag name, and you should add the dependency in this particular dependencies tag only. So first of all, what is the dependency? Dependency is a jar file. So previously we have added the jar file, right? But now there is no need to add the jar file. You can simply copy the dependency from Maven repository, and you can simply paste here, and you can easily add any code, it will work. So it will work. Let me show you. So how to copy dependencies. So for that one, just to type Maven repository, just Maven repository dependency or Maven repository, anything, and click on Maven repository here, mvnrepository.com, click Maven repository, and it will open a page like this. Here, what you need to do, you need to type Selenium Java. You need to type Selenium Java, later on click on search, guys. Later on click on search. So are you able to see, ma? Selenium Java, Selenium HQ.Selenium. What you need to do, just click on the link, guys. Just click on the link, Selenium Java link. So it will open page like this, Selenium Java. Are you able to see the versions here, ma? So the first version of Java is 2.0 and it's released in the year 2011. Means Selenium was there since 12 plus years, right? The first version is 2.2. And the current version is a 4.8, right, ma? So 4.8.2. So this is the current version. So don't say 4.8.0, 4.8.2. That means 4.8 version. So we need to use the latest version only, ma. So January 23, 2023. So it's released in 4th January 23, 2023. Now we need to download not download this, we need to copy and we need to paste the same dependency stack. What you need to do, just click on 4.8.0. It will open page like this, and here Maven. So this is Maven. So this is the dependency for Maven, mom. This is a Gradle dependency, Gradle short, Gradle SBT, IY grade. So these are the different build tool, guys. But I'm not sure which languages they used in this particular Selenium, Builder, Gradle. I'm not sure. So here we want a dependency that related to Maven, right? Just click on Maven and click here. That's it, man. Just click here, Control C, and go to your Bangalore.xml and add the dependency in between the dependencies. Add the dependency in between the dependency means Control V here. After that, Control S. So don't forget Control S, ma. Just Control S. Yes, not X. Control S. So here, wait until the green color mark disappears. Wait until the green color mark disappears. So Control S and go to your Chrome browser. So go to your code, whatever code you want. So here, just type on Control V. Just click on Control V, ma. So it is downloading everything from the backend. It is downloading, right? Just a second, it will download. Okay, let me go to the project and let me build project, ma'am. Build project. Project is building, so it is building 49% only. So we'll wait till 100% completes. Yes, it is downloading the dependency. See, ma, it is downloading. So downloading dependencies, Java, docs, some sources, different things. So just to wait until everything is complete. It is downloading 22%, 23.5. Any errors on our code, guys? Are you people able to see any errors on our code? Any errors on our code? No, right? See if I use control space. Is loading in the back end. It may take some time. It will take some time. Just to wait for some time. Are you able to see WebDrive or web event related to Selenium, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you able to see the dependency
Yeah,
related
yes.
to Selenium? Right? So have we added any jar files here? No, right? We have simply we are adding the dependency related to the particular Selenium, right? So is it so here we are adding any dependency? No, right? Dependency we have added, right, mom? Jar files we haven't added. Jar files means right click and go to build path and go to configure build path. That thing is jar files, guys. So here we have added dependency, not the jar file. Understand, mom? Right? Any questions on adding the dependencies? And
No.
I will share Power XML to you guys. Yes. Okay. So you can execute as it is, mom. Just right click. Let me close this one. 1, 2, 3. You can execute same right click and go to run as and click on Java application. Are you able to see, right? We have successfully launched Selenium, this particular URL, right? We have successfully launched and we have successfully closed. So like this, you need to create the Maven Java project and you need to add the dependencies. So now I'm going to show you the local repository. How to see the local repository. So for that one, let me open some documents. So documents you can open any explorer, no? So you can open any explorer and go to this PC and click on this PC, guys. After clicking on this PC, just click on the Windows and go to your users and click on your name. So later on, so it will display one .m2 folder. Are you able to see the .m2 folder here, no? .m2 folder. .m2
Yeah.
folder is nothing but Maven local repository. So if you open this one, see here some repositories are there. So some different things is there. So it contains different folders. So let me. So we don't have anything today because we haven't executed anything using Maven today, right? So we haven't executed anything using Maven today. So let me open any one or two files. So there is no none. So this is the M2 folder. It will automatically create in your folder once you execute your code with Maven. So Maven means this is not a Maven, guys. So we have executed using a pom.xml, but Maven means you need to execute the code using pom.xml. So if you want to use pom.xml, if you want to execute anything using pom.xml, you should create only .xml files, guys. Only .xml files. That file you need to add in the plugins of pom.xml. Later on, you can execute. So don't worry, guys. That thing we'll discuss in our coming classes. In TestNG, using TestNG framework, we are going to create a TestNG.xml files, and we can execute that testng.xml files using a pom.xml. So I'll show you the remaining Maven concept in the testng.xml, because for that one I need to show you the Surefire plugin. I need to explain what is Surefire plugin, how to convert normal Java file to .xml file. So for that one, we should discuss TestNG first. Later on, I'll show you the remind, like what is Shortfire plugin, how to execute code using pom.xml, and each and everything. So as of now, so we have covered almost 75 to 80% of Maven. So if you have any questions as of now, you can ask guys. No questions? Is Maven is clear now?
Clear.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you one file. So why we are using Maven project, because it works same like no. So here so Maven project, so you can easily integrate TestNG with Maven. But if you want to integrate normal project to Git or normal project to Jenkins, so it is a hectic thing. It is a hectic thing, and one more thing is you can't execute more than one file using normal Java project, but that should be handled using Maven project only. Understand, Yamuna? Cross-browser testing, parallel execution, each and everything we should perform using Maven project only, guys. I will show you cross-browser testing, parallel testing, data-driven testing, everything I will show you. So TestNG, how to execute, how to convert .java to TestNG files, how to add TestNG files to pom.xml, how to execute pom.xml files, and what is the process of pom.xml. I will show you everything. So now I'll give you one. It's not a homework, guys. You need to download one plugin. So you need to install one plugin to your Eclipse. Otherwise, TestNG you can't execute. You can't create any TestNG. So any TestNG file. So first of all, we need to download the dependency of TestNG. So I'm going to say MBL repository. So here I'm typing TestNG. So TestNG, guys. So later on, we need to click on search, click on the first link, process seems same. Click on the first link and it will open one page with the latest releases. Click on 7.7.1 and go to Maven. Just click Control A, Control C and go to your pom.xml and add dependency here. So after the Maven, after Selenium dependency, just add change dependency as well, control E, control Shift F and control S. So it will add TestNG a dependency to your Maven project, but it is only 50%. But now we need to install TestNG to your Eclipse. Otherwise, you can't able to create any TestNG file. You can't able to create any TestNG file. So see here, I have already installed TestNG. If I click on any project, whether it may be a Maven or normal project, see if I click on Maven project, so here I am able to see the TestNG tag here. Are you able to see TestNG tag on my screen?
Yeah.
Yes. If you want to see the TestNG tag like this, you should download TestNG. How to download? Click on Help tab and later on click on Eclipse Marketplace. So click on Help. My Eclipse is not responding. Yes. Click on Help and click on Eclipse Marketplace, not Eclipse User Storage, Eclipse Marketplace. Click on Eclipse Marketplace. It will open one pop-up. It will take some time to open the pop-up. So we'll wait for 1 to 2 minutes. It will open that pop-up. So the pop-up is Eclipse Marketplace like this, and wait until the green color. So this particular green color mark is disappears. It will take some time to load, guys. Not only for me, for everybody. It will take some time. So the green color mark is disappears. It's gone. Yes. Now it will load the page. And now, so under search, you need to click on the search tab. Under find, you need to type STNG. You need to type STNG and click on enter. Yes. And click on enter. So it will find the STNG. But I mean the particular plugin. So this is nothing but plugin. So you need to install. So I have already installed, guys. So that is the reason. So it is showing installed button. But if you want to install, so you should install. Otherwise, test engine we can't execute. So just type test engine and click on search. It will display test engine Eclipse. It's test engine for Eclipse like this with install button. Now what you need to do, just click on the install button, and later on it will open one pop-up. And here expand the pop-up, expand the pop-up and select the required file, required things only. So don't select all the I mean not required things there. Just to select the required, because it here in test engine also it will show which one is required and which one is not required. Just to select the required things and click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it will open another page. In that page, click on next and later on I accept checkbox will display. Click on I accept and later on click on finish. It will install, it will download the plugin and it will install the plugin to your Eclipse IDE. And later on, after installing the plugin, it will open one pop-up, guys. The pop-up should be like this. So Eclipse is restart such kind of thing. My Eclipse will restart such kind of pop-up it will display. What you need to do, you need to click on OK. OK, don't click on cancel, click on OK. It will automatically close your Eclipse and it will automatically open your Eclipse. At that time, what you need to do after opening the particular Eclipse, just to click on your project, right click on your project and observe whether your project is able to show TestNG tab here or not. If it is showing the TestNG tab, that means you have successfully installed TestNG plugin to your Eclipse. So I will share you the document as well, guys, but go through the video recording and just click one by one, one by one. So just go to help Eclipse Marketplace, type TestNG under the search, find tab, click on enter. It will display TestNG for Eclipse plugin. Click on install. Again, just click on next, click on the required fields, click on next, check the I accept checkbox and click on finish. So it will automatically download TestNG. And make sure you should download TestNG. Otherwise, you can't create any TestNG related classes. From Monday onwards, we'll not use public static void main. We'll use only @TestNG annotations, and it is very important. And make sure you people should be ready with the TestNG plugin in your Eclipse IDE. So this is nothing about your today's class. So if you have any questions, we have 10 more minutes. You can ask. Once you install Eclipse, you can't delete more. So that is the problem with that TestNG plugin. Not only TestNG, if you install any plugin, so you can't delete. So if you delete, it may corrupt your Eclipse IDE. Sometimes it may corrupt your project, entire project structure as well. So that is the reason. So I won't delete anything. So if I install it. Understand? I'll share you this pom.xml, guys. So if you want, you can add everything from dependencies, only dependencies. Don't copy projects, because I don't know which version you are using in your system. Don't copy entire thing, just copy the dependencies from here to here and just install TestNG plugin. That's it. I'll share you this one. I think this one is not required because it's already there. I'll share you this one, a Maven document. So I'll share you both this one and Maven document. Understand? Any questions on Maven, guys?
What else?
Okay. Yes. So that's about today's class. So we don't have class tomorrow, and we'll meet you on Monday. Happy weekend, guys. But don't forget to install Eclipse, STNG plugin. Okay?
Masa.
Yes. Anything else, guys? Practice as much as possible because everything is real time. So here, how much effort you put on that, like that much knowledge you will get. So I have shared the pom.xml and I have shared the Maven document in the drive. Go through the drive and download, guys. Understand? Guys, are you there?
Yeah, understand. Okay.
Okay, cool. Then we'll see you on Monday by 7 p.m. guys.
Okay, Masa. Thank you very much.
Bye everyone. Yeah. Bye everyone. Have a great weekend.
Bye, Masa. Thank you.
Yeah, bye Sai. లేదు లేదు అది